Hello everyone, in this video, we will review Taskade AI. Taskade AI is a productivity tool that combines task management, note-taking, and AI-powered assistance all in one platform. It's designed for teams and individuals who want a clean, flexible workspace to organize projects and boost productivity. One of its best features is the built-in AI assistant, which can help brainstorm ideas, summarize meeting notes, generate task lists, and even write content. The interface is user-friendly and with drag-and-drop tools and customizable templates to fit different work styles. Taskade supports real-time collaboration, letting multiple people edit projects together like Google Docs, but with better task organization. You can switch between different views like list, board, calendar, or map mind depending on how you like to visual your work. It offers a free plan for $0 per month, a pro plan for $10 per month, a team plan for $50 per month, and an enterprise plan for custom payment per month. To get started with the free plan, sign up with Google. After that, choose the Google account and continue with it. It also works across all your devices, so you can use it on your phone, tablet, or computer and everything stays synced. The AI isn't just a chatbot, it's well integrated into your workspace, helping automate repetitive tasks and making project planning faster. However, some users might find the free version a bit limited, especially when it comes to storage and advanced AI features. Overall, Taskade AI stands out for combining project management tools with smart AI features in a simple, visual appealing layout. It's ideal for students, content creators, startups, or anyone managing tasks and ideas daily. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.